Tavuk Sote. It is a super easy and quick to make dish, which moreover is full of vegetables, protein and low in fat. That sounds pretty healthy and delicious to me, so let's make some in this episode. All we need are a few ingredients that you can easily get in your local supermarket. Mainly 350 grams of lean chicken breast, a few vegetables such as peppers and tomatoes, as well as ground chili and some dried herbs. Let's start by properly washing and chopping our vegetables. Most Turkish recipes we came along are using these long green peppers referred to as yeşil biber. They are not really sweet nor really hot, but somewhere in between the two. In addition, long red sweet peppers seem to be usually added, but we couldn't get our hands on those and hence used its big and juicy brother and chopped it up in rather small cubes. Next, before it can make us cry, we quickly chop up half an onion and follow up with a garlic clove as well as one meaty tomato. Lastly, cut the chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces, which, according to the size of your mouth, can be bigger or smaller. I would guess smaller though, as I'm said to have a pretty big mouth. Anyways, I think it's time to get cooking. For which we place our pan over medium heat, sprinkle some vegetable oil in there and immediately add the chicken. Interestingly, even though the dish is called Tavuk Sote, which translates to chicken sauté, the meat is not really sautéed or gently stir-fried as we know it. Rather, it is covered with a lid and cooked gently without any browning. Once the chicken is halfway through, mix in the chopped vegetables and tomato paste, add the garlic, sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of both dried oregano and dried thyme, or half a teaspoon of either if you have only oregano or thyme in your pantry. Follow up with half a teaspoon of ground chili and lastly some salt and pepper. And now, interestingly, pour 100 milliliters of hot water into the pan, give everything a good final mix, cover with a lid and let simmer over medium-low heat for 5 minutes. The additional water will help to keep your chicken pieces tender and by uniting the flavors of all ingredients, create a tasty, fruity sauce. Take off the lid, give another mix, taste for salt and season some more if necessary. The chicken should be done by now and the vegetables tender but not too mushy. The amount of sauce should be just right, but feel free to reduce it a bit if you want. I would advise against it though, as you would run the risk of drying up your lean chicken breast. Rather, line up your favorite bread, serve everyone a juicy portion of Tavuk Sote, sprinkle some chopped parsley on top and start dipping. The dish has a well-balanced, humble flavor profile, with mainly the tomato's acidity and the chili spiciness being noticed by our taste buds. Overall, no pungent garlic or onion taste, which I'm sure you prefer. It's a super easy and quick to make healthy dish, so I suggest you give it a go. Afiyet olsun.
Wow. Thank you, my Turkish friends. Once again, very delicious.
If you want something richer in taste, which requires a few more ingredients though, check out our poulet à la Provencal video. Thanks for watching and until next time with another international recipe here at United Cuisines.